The insulated emulsion tank has a capacity of 2,100 liters. The emulsion is reliably maintained at the ideal temperature for spraying by an integrated electric heating system. The liquid is continuously circulated and homogenized by the heated emulsion pump, which delivers the emulsion to the spray bars. The entire system is at the ideal operating temperature. The front spray bar is located directly behind the push rollers between the two crawler tracks. Two movable spray bars are mounted on the right and left of the paver, which, being connected to the screed, can move to adapt to changing pave widths. When the pave width increases, closed spray nozzles are switched on. When it decreases, they are switched off automatically. The two outermost spray nozzles on the two spray bars at the sides can be switched off at any time, also from the screed console. A further spray bar is mounted behind each of the crawler tracks. 5 spray bars ensure complete coverage of the existing surface with emulsion. They are cleverly arranged to ensure that the paver won't drive over the freshly sprayed emulsion. All in all, 24 spray nozzles are fitted to the 5 spray bars. The nozzles do not spray the emulsion continuously, but in pulsed operation. The spray pulses are controlled according to the selected rate of spread and the pave speed. This automatically controlled timing of the spray pulses prevents emulsion being applied in more than one layer. Precision-finished nozzle types of different size rates allow the rate of spread to be accurately metered for use in all spraying processes. The 5 spray bars are supplied with emulsion via 3 separate circuits. This arrangement allows the emulsion to be sprayed at a low pressure of no more than 3 bar. Due to the very low spray pressure, the emulsion is sprayed accurately and applied cleanly when working along curbs, reducing consumption at the same time. The combination of precision-finished spray nozzles and low spray pressure ensures clean and eco-friendly operation of the VOGELE Spray Jet Paver. The Ergo Plus 3 operating concept makes it fundamentally easier to work with the VOGELE Super 1800-3i spray jet. Ergo Plus 3 now encompasses all the operating areas of a paving team, namely the paver operator's console, the 2 screed consoles, and the control panel for the spray jet module. Important functions for spraying have been integrated into the large color display on the paver operator's console. For example, the maximum possible pave speed is indicated to the paver operator as a function of the set rate of spread. The handy automatic functions, start of job and end of job, are also included so that neat connections can easily be produced at the push of a button. The screed operator conveniently controls the spraying width and pave width via the smart wheel, and can also deactivate the outer spray nozzles on the spray bars at the sides if necessary. Even on challenging job sites, this ensures a neat and faultless paved result. The user interface of the operating panel for the spray jet module has been consistently integrated into the Ergo Plus operating concept for the paver operator's console, forming a single organizational unit for both the paver and spray module. The module has a touch screen with which all functions, such as replenishing emulsion and emptying, cleaning, setting the nozzles, circulating emulsion, and spraying, can be conveniently selected and monitored. The Ergo Plus concept includes the start of job and end of job functions, which can be selected at the push of a button. When the front spray bar on the paver reaches the point at which paving is to commence, the paver operator activates the function start of job on the paver operator's console. The nozzles of the front spray bar begin to spray bitumen emulsion at precisely the required point. The two spray bars at the sides also start spraying with pinpoint accuracy. They are finally followed by the spray bars at the rear. When the paver reaches the milled edge at the end of the paving site, the function End of Job is activated, so that spraying ends accurately at that point. First, the nozzles on the front spray bar are switched off automatically. They are followed by those at the sides, and finally by those at the rear. A neat join between the old and the new pavement is assured. The Ergo Plus Spray Jet module's operating concept includes a fully automatic cleaning program, which ensures that the lines and valves are thoroughly cleaned. A few menu settings are all that is needed to start the program. First of all, the required number of cleaning cycles is selected in accordance with the degree of soiling. If required, individual system sections alone can be selected for cleaning via the separately controlled circuits. At the push of a button, a preservative can be added to the final cleaning cycle to prevent emulsion from sticking to lines, valves, and pumps. Press play to start the program. Any residual bitumen emulsion is returned to the tank with a blast of compressed air. The time required for the cleaning process can be read off on the display. If the VOGELE Spray Jet module is not required for a longer period of time, the spray nozzles can be opened at the push of a button and cleaned with a blast of air at a suitable point. During the spraying process, the paver operator can modify paving-related settings quickly and easily on the Spray Jet module via the three buttons at the bottom of the monitor. The button Parameter Settings displays the page for adjusting the rate of spread, the length of the sprayed area per spray pulse, the spray pressure, the heating in the emulsion tank, the heating of the emulsion pump. The Info menu provides information on the performance so far, the distance already covered, the sprayed area, and the applied rate of spread can be seen here. The top line shows the counter reading of the Super 1800-3i spray jet when spray mode has been activated. The values in the lines below can be reset to 0 in order to show counter readings as required. Values for the entire construction project can be recorded here, for example, or the range to be covered with a full tank can be calculated. Selection of the spray nozzles makes it possible to switch individual nozzles on and off as required. For instance, a manhole cover in the middle of the pavement can be bypassed simply and effectively in this way. The spray nozzles are reactivated by pressing the button again. If the screed operator's field of vision is obstructed, he can also deactivate the two outer spray nozzles on the spray bar at the side via the menu on the screed console.